Hello, everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wondered why some people work hard every single day, yet their bank account never really grows? It's not always about how much you earn, it's often about how you think. The 9 to 5 mindset is built on one simple idea: trade your time for money. You show up, do your job, and get paid. But here's the trap: time is limited. When you stop working, the money stops too. Many of us are taught to study hard, get a job, and climb the ladder. But this thinking keeps us in a cycle. We work harder for promotions, we celebrate a small raise, and then our expenses rise along with it. New car, better phone, nicer clothes, more money in, more money out. The cycle continues, but wealth doesn't grow because we're still depending on one source, our salary. The rich think differently. They focus on building income that doesn't depend only on their hours. They create businesses, make investments, build skills that pay them over and over again. They see money as a tool to grow more money, not just as a reward for working more hours. So ask yourself, am I only thinking about my next paycheck, or am I thinking about building something that pays me even when I'm not working? Start small. Learn a skill that you can sell, invest even a little, or create something valuable online. It's not about quitting your job overnight. It's about shifting your mindset from employee to owner, from trading time to creating value. Your time is precious. Don't just spend it. Invest it. Because as long as your income stops the moment you stop working, that 9 to 5 thinking will keep you stuck.